you see about how we run the macro in example PDF LaTeX 2 times and for one DVI, and then another one is a PS2 PDF. So in this video what we are going to see is we are going to run the book. This is a sample book I have written here. So this is it has 2 chapters only. So and on one preface. So first thing I'm going to run is what I'm going to see is going to accessories PDF LaTeX. So I combine PDF LaTeX, PDF, and then PDF LaTeX. In the same path file was created. So this is a method you're going to run the PDF LaTeX. So this have only 2 chapters only. So if you have many multiple chapters and then if you have many different page numbers, for example prelims you have about different page number, for that you have to run more than 2 times, or exactly 3 times you have to run. So in this case how we are going to do. So I create a simple macro here. In this macro what you are going to see is either you have to compile either 1 time or compiling 2 times. But first thing you have to get the string by using the get string command. So this is a prompt value I entered here, and this is a caption for that prompt here. So in that we have give either 1 or 2. If you give 1 means this macro will execute. If you give 2 means this macro will be executed. So now what you are going to do is if you give 1 means it runs PDF LaTeX 1 time, and then say online settings finished 1 times. If you give 2 means this 2 came here and then match here, and then first thing PDF LaTeX runs first time. After finished this macro will be run second time. So the same files runs 2 times, and then it's prompt say online settings finished 2 times. Okay, now we're going to see the example here. So before that I am going to delete all the files which I executed here. So I delete aux, log, PDF and TOC. So for going to command, so how we going to execute means go to accessories, so accessory macro, and then here is execute macro script here, and then select this. I have created this macro multiple.edt. Select the macro and then open it. So this is the if we enter the get string command came here, please enter either 1 or 2 for compilation, and this is a caption for this prompt. So we have to enter either 1 or 2. So if I press 1 and then press and then giving OK means this files execute only 1 time and say online settings finished 1 times. So I'm now going to see the path, and then PDF was generated here. See, this is a TOC was not generated because I run only 1 time. So if you want TOC also execute for all links, you have to execute it means we have to compile minimum 2 times. So I'm going to delete again. Now here again I am going to run this macro. Going to access a macro, execute macro script, selecting the macro. Now I'm going to enter 2. 2 means we have to compile 2 times. Here as a caption came PDF LaTeX second, and then it say online compilation finished 2 times. Okay. Now I'm going to see the file. So TOC came here. This is a simple way we can by user can determine how many times have to compile this file. Is us. So if you want to compile more, again 3 times, means what you're going to do is same things. If you copy this macro, paste here and change here, whatever string it was getting in this get string command is was stored in this register only. So this register will match the value. So if you give 3 means this macro will execute. So PDF LaTeX for first time, PDF LaTeX second time. So now I'm going to copy this macro again. Copy and then pasting here. PDF LaTeX third time. Third compile. I will finish third. So I'm going to delete this again, the PDF TOC. Now I'm going to run this execute the macro script, which is shortcut key is Control F9, and then selecting the multiple.edt. Now I'm entering 3. See here the caption is what on PDF LaTeX first compile, PDF LaTeX second compile, and then PDF LaTeX third compile. So now the prompt is saying on setting finished 3 times. So if you give 1 means the 1 will match here, this one and this one. If we equal this one and this one was equal, this macro will be executed up to here. If you giving 2 means 2 and this 2 match will execute. So otherwise it will not get executed. This whole macro gets skipped. And similarly for this third macro, if you give 3, this 3 and 3 get matched, and then it execute the whole script under this if string command. So this is a simple way how we can going to compile the book. If in LaTeX there are many multiple chapters for 50 chapters and then 40 chapters, you have to generate TOC. For that you have to compile minimum 2 times to get TOC. For single compilation it's take minimum somewhat time based on the files you have, because if you have a very complex images you have included, it take time. So by this macro you can able to create how many times you can to compile. So if you run this if you macro and then mentioned 2 times or 3 times, and then after macro will finish and will stay here. So thank you for this video. So